In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use our makeup creator to generate your own makeup. First step for us is to prepare makeup assets with Photoshop. Basically we need 9 PNG format documents that indicate shadow, lip mouth open, lip mouth closed, eyebrows, eyeshadow, eyeliner, eyelash, blusher, brighten. For your information, you can add more than one layer to refine your assets. And it doesn't have to be PNG format. It could be CAF format. We call these makeup. As you can see from our material marketplace. Before we generate them with our tools, we need to design our makeup first in Photoshop based on our standard proportion rules. We have a standard PSD file for you to easy paint, crop, and export your makeup assets. We set 5 standard crop proportion of makeup. Eyebrow. Eyes. Mouth open. Mouth closed. Cheek. We need to paint the makeup based on our standard face. Please be noted that do not paint over these dots. Once we finished painting makeup, we start to export them. Close the standard face. Open the makeup lip closed layer. And left-click makeup lip closed mask layer. Crop. Export. In the same way, we export makeup mouth open.png. And eyeshadow, eyeliner, eyebrow, brighten, blusher. After that, we get 9.png format images. Once we get those assets exported, we need to generate them with Meishi Makeup tool. Open Meishi Effect Creator. Makeup. Now we see Makeup Creator board. We create an effect layer. Import lips assets. And apply the makeup lip mouth close to the close texture. Apply the makeup lip mouth open and to the diffuse texture. Adjust the blending mode by clicking here. Then we can export the file as a .makeup format. Once we have the makeup file, we need to prepare a JSON file along with it. Open the JSON file and change the name here. Target language and target text, no need to change here. The rest of the JSON, no need to change. Now, we get a folder with a UUID name. In the folder, we have a lip package and the JSON. Put the folder under the path. Documents, makeup, custom, lip. Now, we can preview the makeup effect via our phone. Thanks for watching.